Good afternoon, folks. It's Crazy Ira again from Firkins Chrysler Jeep and Dodge in Bradenton. I just took in a gorgeous 2019 Dodge Challenger. This is the Hellcat. This is plum crazy in color. And as you can see under the hood, this is a 6.2 liter. This is an amazing vehicle. This is supercharged with the Brembo brakes, with the red calipers, black 20-inch wheels with Pirelli tires. As you can see, we got Challenger scuff plates down the bottom, Bluetooth for your cell phone, automatic headlight on and off system. This car only has 319 miles, folks. This also has a backup camera. As you can see, it's got the 8.4 screen. It also has, believe it or not, it's got the SRT mode that has 717 horsepower under the hood. It's the Laguna with SRT logo in the back of the seat. And as you can see, the gas cap cover has a special Hellcat emblem pressed in. Folks, this vehicle is brand new in the wrapper. I don't have to say more. This vehicle is all there. As you can see, the SRT on the rear spoiler. It's got the mud flaps in the back. This car, folks, is absolutely flawless. Blind spot and cross path detection. Folks, this car has it all. I don't have to tell you, for the sports car enthusiast who wants to race this car at the track. 717 under the hood. Folks, you're not going to find this car anywhere but Firkins. You got to call me, Ira Salem, 845-304-3914. You will only find this car at Firkins.